All right. Hello there, Dr. Phillips.
Hello there, Ms. Bex.
It's really great to see you in Korea.
And good to see you.
I understand there's two really great events taking place. One is the Busan conference that has already been taking place, and that relates to the 4th High-Level Forum. And we also have the Global Peace Convention starting tomorrow. I know you have many reflections on that, but it would be really great to get a bit of your perspective on both of these events. What would you share with us?
Okay, everyone all over the world is talking about what now? Occupy. Occupy what in there? Just came from Busan. Whole discussion is there. The same thing is going on. People are talking about development and aid. Who should occupy aid and development? Who is it for?
I think it's for the people out there. And it's not only for us in Korea. I think it's for those people out there. So if you're watching this, you need to go on Twitter, and the hashtag is #GPCKorea11. Occupy Twitter, everybody. Let's hear what you think.
In Busan, Korea now, there are thought leaders there, policy leaders, politicians, economic leaders. They're all talking about that, who should be the owners of development, the controversy and discussion. Political leaders, of course, are concerned that, well, the state needs, each country needs to own it. But civil society is saying, wait a minute. It's the people that need to be finally the owners of their own development. Isn't this what people are saying? I mean, with Occupy Wall Street and
that's totally right. I mean, look at all, this. Have you been on Facebook? Seen the Global Peace Connect page?
Oh yeah, hot place.
Yeah, exactly. You gotta see the Facebook Global Peace Connect. We got a large community there, and they are owning what they are doing. So go on Global Peace Connect Facebook page and see what everybody's talking about.
So tomorrow we're going to be having a discussion, and who did we bring in? Did we bring in the politicians? Did we bring in the heads of organizations? No, we brought in community organizers, because we want to hear from the people who do it. How do you actually get citizens involved? I mean, at the end of the day, nobody's going to give you your rights. Nobody's going to give you ownership over anything. You have to claim it. People have to come together, join together, and join their forces. And so join us, if you can, online. Join us.
Oh, yes, they can. You know what? I know there are hot questions out there, and I want to hear them. And I'm going to deliver those questions to Dr. Phillips during his session. So why don't you come and join us on the live blog, all right? Just look at the link right below the video somewhere. There is a link to the live blog. You got to be there. Come with your questions, because I know we're going to have a great discussion tomorrow.
So join us tomorrow and beyond, and occupy. Give your thoughts, the thoughts of the people, and let those be the ones who own and occupy.
Great. Yay. Thank you both, guys.